Chapter 4. Soil. Soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Soil is very important for plants to grow. Roots of plants go into the soil to get water and minerals. It helps them to grow well. Small animals like insects and earthworms live in soil. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks into tiny pieces. Rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the cold weather. The continuous heating and cooling causes the rocks to crack and break into small pieces. These small pieces are carried to different places by the wind or running water. The pieces rub against each other till they finally become tiny particles of soil. Dead plants and animals also get mixed with these pieces. Formation of soil is a continuous process. What does soil contain? Soil contains stones, gravel, sand, clay, and humus. Take some soil from a garden. Put the soil in a glass jar. Fill the jar with water. Cover it with a lid and shake it well. Leave it undisturbed. At the bottom of the jar, we see a layer of gravel. It is the heaviest layer. Above the layer of gravel, we find a layer of sand. Above the sand, we find clay. The water above the layer of clay is not clear. Dead leaves, twigs, and parts of dead insects float on the water. This is called humus. It makes the soil fertile. This shows that soil contains stones, gravel, sand, clay, and humus. Soil contains water. Take some soil in a container. Cover it with a lid. Heat the container for some time. Open the lid. We see the drops of water on the lid. Soil contains air. Take some garden soil in a jar. Pour some water over it. As you do this, you notice bubbles forming in the soil. This happens because the trapped air present in the soil escapes as bubbles. This shows that soil contains air. Uses of soil. Soil is useful in many ways. All plants grow in soil. Soil contains water and minerals that plants need for their growth. Imagine, if there was no soil, there would be no plants and we would have no food. Soil is home to many animals, ants, snails, earthworms, and many other animals live in soil. Earthworms are very useful for farmers. Earthworms dig tunnels in the soil and loosen it. This allows air to enter the soil. This air is good for growing plants. So, they are often called the farmer's friend.